Dear friends, in class 9 we are studying 8th lesson quadrilaterals, and in exercise 8.1 we have fourth question. Show that diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So we are given, show that diagonals of a square means we are given quadrilateral is a square, and we have to show that the diagonals are equal. We also have to show that diagonals bisect each other, and we also have to show that diagonals are intersecting each other at right angles. So this is what three things we need to show. So here let us write the solution for this. We will need some figure. Let us name this square as A, B, C, D. And let the diagonal AC and BD meet at point O. Show that diagonals of square are equal. So we are given that quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square. And diagonal AC intersects diagonal BD at O. This is what is given to us. We need to prove first diagonals are equal. So to prove first thing is AC is equal to BD. AC equals to BD. Then bisect each other. Bisect each other means it makes two equal parts. So we have to show that second part AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. This is second part. Bisect each other at right angles. We have to show that one of the angle AOB equals to angle BOC. Any one angle you can show angle BOC, or we have to show that AC is perpendicular to BD at O. That is, they intersect each other at right angles. So, in order to prove this, we have to show AC equals to BD. First part is we have to show AC equals to BD. So, we need to consider two triangles in such a way that AC and BD are the parts of that triangle. So, for this proof, I am going to consider triangle ABC and ABD. Consider triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Watch carefully. I have considered ABC and ABD. In this we can say that AD equals to BC equals to, I have taken this, so I am taking the side of this triangle first. So BC equals to AD. BC equals to AD. Reason is sides of square. All sides of square are equal. So these are the sides of square, it means they must be equal. Then AB equals to AB. AB equals to AB. Reason is common side. Then angle ABC equals to angle BAD. Reason is each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. Or you can say angles of square. We know that all angles of square are equal. So watch carefully. We have got in these two triangles, two sides are congruent and included angle is congruent. It means two triangles are congruent by SAS test. But for this, we need one-to-one correspondence. Now watch carefully. From angles, it can be written very easily. B corresponds to A. B corresponds to A. Then, if B corresponds to A, remaining letters are A must correspond to B. A must correspond to B. And if B corresponds to A, then remaining letter is C. C must correspond to D. C must correspond to D. It means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS test of congruency. So these two triangles are congruent. Now if two triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding sides are congruent. That is, if you keep ABC on BAD, they will exactly coincide with each other. It means first side made by first two vertices will coincide with side made by first two vertices of the other triangle. So it means that we need AC, that is first and third vertex. So first and third vertex is BD. So here we can say that AC is equal to BD, and reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangles, or we can also say corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So we have got AC equals to BD. First part is proved. Now second part. Second part, we have to prove that AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. So for this, we are going to consider triangles. We are going to consider triangles AOB and COD. So watch carefully. Consider triangle. Consider triangle AOB and COD. Triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now angle AOB and angle COD are equal. Angle AOB equals to angle COD. Reason is they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now see, this angle is also equal. Reason is every square is a parallelogram, and these are, if it is a parallelogram, it means these two sides are parallel, and it means that these are alternate angles. So alternate angles formed by parallel lines and transversal are congruent. Here we can say that every square is parallelogram. Every square is parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. It means angle BAO is equal to DCO, is equal to angle DCO. Reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles formed by parallel line and transversal are congruent. Now AB equals to DC. AB equals to DC. Reason is sides of square. They are sides of square. All sides of square are equal. Sides of square. So watch carefully. These two triangles are congruent by angle side test. But for this, one-to-one correspondence is O corresponds to O. I am writing this side. O corresponds to O. Then A corresponds to C. A corresponds to C. And remaining is B corresponds to D. B corresponds to D. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by angle side test. By angle side test. Now watch carefully. Two triangles are congruent. It means side formed by first two vertex must be equal to side formed by first two vertices, and side formed by second third vertices must be equal to side formed by second third vertices. That is, if you keep triangle AOB on triangle COD, then all three sides will coincide with each other and all three angles will coincide with each other. It means angle AO, you will get AO equals to CO. AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. Reason is they are corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So we have got AO equals to CO and BO equals to DO. Second part is proved. Therefore, we can say that diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Now, third part, we have to consider, we have to show that these two diagonals intersect at right angles. So for this, I am going to consider triangle AOB and BOC. Third part, consider triangle AOB and triangle BOC. So two adjacent triangles I have considered. We have just proved that AO equals to CO. AO equals to CO. Then BO equals to BO. BO equals to BO. This is proved earlier. Proved earlier. This is common side. And remaining is AB equal to BC, sides of square. AB equals to BC. They are sides of square. All sides of square are equal. It is not necessary that you prove in the same way. Anyhow, you have to prove that AB equals to BOC. If you have other alternative ways, you can prove by other alternative ways also. So I have proved with SSS test. All three sides of one triangle are congruent to all three sides of the other triangle. It means triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Watch carefully. Here O corresponds to O, so A corresponds to C and B corresponds to B. We have got AOB, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COB. It means angles. I have not written here one to one correspondence. You can watch carefully. O corresponds to O. So A will correspond to C and B will correspond to B. From this we can write AOB, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COB. Now watch carefully. Angle AOB is congruent to angle COB. Reason is they are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. If two triangles are congruent, if you keep them one above the other, then all three angles of one triangle must coincide with all three angles of the other triangles. This is proved by SSS test. So we have got two angles congruent. Now look at the figure. AOB is equal to BOC or COB. These two angles are equal, but they form a linear pair. But angle AOB plus angle COB equals to 180 degrees since they form linear pair. We have already studied angles on a line are called linear pair and they are always supplementary, that their sum is supplementary. Now watch carefully here. AOB equal to COB. So I can say that twice AOB, twice angle AOB equals to 180 degrees. It means angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Look at the figure. If one of the angle is 90 degree, opposite angle will also be 90 degree, remaining angle will also be 90 degree. It means that we can say that BD is perpendicular, AC is perpendicular to BD at O. Therefore, AC is perpendicular to BD at O. Thus, we can say that diagonals are equal. From first result, we can say that diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. From second result, we can say that diagonals bisect each other. And from third result, we can say that diagonals bisect at right angles. Diagonals bisect at right angles. Thus, we can say that diagonals bisect at right angles.